A SharePoint LIST file contains structured data exported from a SharePoint collaboration platform, organized records ready for migration, analysis, or backup. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you export, import, or manage these SharePoint data files. The final, quickest method is on the way. The efficacy of this tool hinges on the speed and analysis power of a single LIST file inspection program that services hundreds of formats. LIST files are data files associated with Microsoft SharePoint lists, containing structured tabular data with defined columns, field types, and list item entries. They store task lists, contact directories, document metadata, and custom business data managed through the SharePoint platform. SharePoint LIST data uses XML or JSON format, storing list schema definitions, including column names, data types, and validation rules, alongside list item records. They support content types, lookup fields, and calculated columns within the SharePoint data framework. The essential opener for the LIST structure is Microsoft SharePoint, developed by Microsoft Corporation. Accessing the full range of data requires a validated decompression tool. Windows provides limited visibility into these files, so meaningful access depends on supporting tools. To guarantee the file opens, right-click your LIST file and select Open With. Check for Microsoft SharePoint first. If it is absent, select another program. A systematic check of installed tools is vital. If the LIST file is still giving you trouble, relax. Since the primary method failed, the error is likely internal. Immediately begin these 3 essential checks to diagnose the file's integrity. First, accessing list data. Open your SharePoint site in a web browser and navigate to the list. Use the Export to Excel feature in the List toolbar to download list data as an XLSX file. Alternatively, access list data through the SharePoint REST API or Microsoft Graph API programmatically. Next, importing data. To import data into a SharePoint list, use the Quick Edit view to paste data from Excel. For larger datasets, use PowerShell with the PNP module or Microsoft Power Automate flows to bulk import records from CSV or Excel files into your SharePoint list. Finally, managing list structure. Use SharePoint's list settings page to modify column definitions, add new fields, and configure views. Create custom views to filter, sort, and group list data for different audiences. Use Power Apps to build custom forms for enhanced data entry into SharePoint lists. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. When even advanced utilities can't handle the file, the architecture requires a universal reader. FileMagick is the only tool I trust for this level of format variety. Download it at filemagick.com. Don't forget to like this video and tap the subscribe button for instant access to future solutions.